Welcome to Tech News Tribe, your go-to channel for the latest in technological innovation. Today, we're diving deep into the world of sound, more specifically, studio headphones. Whether you're a beginner setting up a home studio, a music lover seeking rich audio detail, or a seasoned sound engineer chasing precision, the right headphones make all the difference. In this video, we're revealing the top 10 best studio headphones of 2025, covering both budget-friendly and high-end options. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. That way, you'll never miss out on future tech gear guides just like this one. Number 10. Subzero SZ-MH200 Monitoring Headphones. Let's kick things off with the most budget-friendly option, the Subzero SZ-MH200. Don't let the price fool you. These headphones offer surprisingly great value. Their closed-back design helps block out background noise, making them ideal for home studios or beginner setups. They run on a low 60-ohm impedance, which means you don't need any special equipment to power them. Just plug them into your audio interface or computer. Even though they're entry-level, they sound clear and aren't overly boomy. The highs are crisp and the mids are clean, which is great for mixing tracks. And guess what? They even include both a 3.5mm jack and a 6.3mm adapter for flexibility. At just $53, it's hard to beat this deal. Number 9. Philips SHP9500. Next, we have the Philips SHP9500, another budget gem, especially for fans of open-back headphones. These are best for mixing rather than recording, because their open design leaks sound and lets in outside noise. But the reward is an incredibly spacious soundstage. They produce a very balanced and natural sound. Vocals and instruments come through clearly, though the bass might feel light for EDM lovers. The build quality is also quite good for the price, and they're super comfortable for long sessions. All this at just $79.99, making them a solid pick for beginner audiophiles. Number 8. Sony MDR-7506. Next up is a classic, the Sony MDR-7506. These retro-style headphones have been studio favorites for years. Their closed-back design reduces audio leakage, so they're perfect for recording. The sound is balanced with a strong mid-range, meaning vocals and lead instruments sound very clear. While the bass isn't overwhelming, it's still present. The coiled cable prevents tangles, but it's not detachable, so if it breaks, repairs can be tricky. Build-wise, they're a mix of plastic and metal and may feel a bit creaky, but at $98, they still offer consistent and reliable sound quality for studio work. Number 7. AKG K371. Now we step into more premium territory with the AKG K371. These are closed-back headphones, priced at $179. They delivers exceptional audio performance with a wide frequency response of 5 Hz to 40 kHz. The sound profile leans slightly V-shaped, offering a bit of extra punch in the bass and sparkle in the highs, yet it still maintains a more neutral tuning compared to competitors like the Audio-Technica ATH-M70X. While the bass and treble are slightly boosted, the overall sound is impressively accurate for the price. Build quality and comfort aren't perfect. The materials feel a bit cheap, and extended listening might not be ideal, but these minor flaws are easily forgiven considering the audio quality. If you want a budget-friendly pair of closed-back headphones that delivers excellent sound for music, mixing, or casual listening, the AKG K371 is a fantastic choice. Number 6. Shure SRH840A Professional Headphones. The Shure SRH840A is a great pick for audio engineers and producers. These headphones deliver deep, accurate sound with a clear and balanced profile. You won't find any artificial boost here, which is great if you want your mixes to sound true to life across all speakers. The ear cups are closed and well cushioned, offering great noise isolation. They're also foldable and come with an adjustable headband for comfort. At $149, they offer Shure's signature durability and audio accuracy, making them a reliable studio tool. Number 5. Audio-Technica ATH-M70X. Halfway through the list, we find the Audio-Technica ATH-M70X. Known as the brand's top model for studio monitoring, these headphones are built tough and sound even better. Unlike other closed-back headphones that can be bass-heavy, the M70X has a pleasing mid-range focus. They're perfect if you need detailed audio without an overpowering low end. The construction is solid, though we still suggest treating them with care. For $290, you get a dependable set of headphones that will keep up with you in any session. Number 4. Beyerdynamic DT 700 Pro X-Close Studio Headphones. The Beyerdynamic DT 700 Pro X-Close Studio Headphones are built for professionals who demand accuracy and comfort. Featuring stellar 4i drivers, they deliver crystal-clear, distortion-free audio, making them perfect for music production, mixing, and casual listening. The closed-back design ensures excellent isolation, allowing you to focus on every detail without distractions. Whether you're in the studio or on the move, their wide compatibility works seamlessly with interfaces, laptops, and mobile devices. No amp needed. The soft, replaceable ear pads and detachable cable add to the long-term usability and comfort, even during extended sessions. With a solid, durable build and exceptional sound quality, the DT 700 Pro X is a reliable investment for serious audio work. Priced at $350, they're an ideal choice for anyone seeking studio-grade headphones that balance performance, comfort, and flexibility across different listening environments. Number 3. Sennheiser HD490 Pro. Taking the bronze medal is the powerful Sennheiser HD490 Pro. When you open the box, it's clear you're getting a premium experience. Extra cables, extra ear pads, a case, and even special software. What makes these headphones stand out is the Dear Reality Dear VR Mix software included. This tool lets you simulate how your music would sound in a professional studio with speakers. That means you can mix more accurately using just your headphones. Add in excellent imaging and comfortable design, and you've got a great deal for $433.96. Number 2. AKG K712 Pro Reference Studio Headphones. The AKG K712 Pro headphones might not get as much attention as other models, but they're a top-tier option for mastering. With an open-back design and incredibly wide soundstage, they allow you to hear every detail in your mix. Instruments and effects feel naturally placed, some farther back, some closer, helping you make accurate decisions during mastering. The highs are crisp without being harsh, and the lows are balanced, present but never muddy. These headphones are designed for long studio sessions, offering both comfort and accuracy. That said, their sound signature might feel unusual at first, especially if you're used to closed-back or bass-heavy headphones. It's a good idea to test them out if you can, to ensure they match your workflow and ears. They come in at around $256.99, and for serious mastering work, they're absolutely worth the investment. Number 1. Sennheiser HD800S. And finally, our top pick for the best studio headphones in 2025, the Sennheiser HD800S. Its open-back design delivers a wide, immersive soundstage that feels natural, making it ideal for critical listening and mixing tasks. These headphones offer a balanced sound profile with clear mids and detailed treble, although the bass lacks the deep thump found in closed-back models. They're exceptionally comfortable and built with premium materials. Some users may find the plastic parts underwhelming at this price. The detachable cable and included adapter add convenience, but a powerful amplifier is required to drive them properly. At $1,599, they're not for everyone, especially with the potential hinge pin issue over time. Still, their sound accuracy is hard to beat. And there you have it, our countdown of the top 10 best studio headphones in 2025. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow music and tech lovers. Got a favorite pair of headphones that we didn't mention? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, stay ahead with the pulse of tech.